At this time, we're going to look at Docs2Go on the iPad. Some of the main features for Docs2Go include all-in-one application with support for Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, cloud storage for Google Docs and Dropbox, and also the ability to save files as you choose. You need to look for your Docs2Go app, and it could be located in various places. The easiest way to find Docs2Go is to use your Spotlight feature and to begin to type Docs2Go. This is your main splash screen for Documents2Go, and it shows you some of the files you can access. Once you get into the Documents2Go app, you can see at the bottom you have a button that allows for you to look at the local storage, your desktop, online, your recent files. You can search and you can check out your settings. We're going to primarily focus on the online storage. The desktop storage we do not want to use because you got to sync with a computer, and we're not going to sync the iPads with any computers. Instead, we're going to focus on online cloud storage, and here we're going to use Dropbox and Google Docs. In order to access your Dropbox or Google Docs accounts, first you have to obviously have a Dropbox or a Google Docs account. You have to have those set up before you can link up on this screen. To establish a connection between Documents2Go and Dropbox, you simply put in your username and password. And remember, students, usernames are going to be your email address, and passwords are going to be the first initial of your first name, and then your last name and your lunch code. To set up a Google Docs account, you first have to have a Google Docs account. You have to do that online. And then you set up your email and your password as well. But again, students, make sure you use your school email address and then the password format that we've been going through and establishing with first initial, last name, and then your lunch code. You do this one time, and then you can have access to all of your cloud storage. With your cloud storage, you can also search, and this will search any of the cloud storage that you have. You simply go to the search button and start typing in what you're looking for. In this example, we're looking for ACT, and it shows all the files that have the word ACT inside of them. Very useful feature. The settings option allows you to access your help files. Here you can always have access to any of the features that Documents2Go provides to all the users. Also on this, you can see where your online accounts are located, and you can view those or add to those. Once you get into one of your documents inside of your cloud storage, you're going to notice a few icons that look a little bit different. First off, if the files are colored, that means that they are downloaded from the cloud and are ready to be used offline. If they are gray, it means they are still available to you, but you have to have internet access because they're still located on the cloud. The file types you can use are DOC, which are Word documents, PPT, which are PowerPoint, and XLS, which is Excel files. Next, across the bottom of the screen, you're going to see a few buttons. The first one allows you to refresh. The next one is A to Z with up and down arrows. That allows you to sort. And the last one has a plus symbol and a document. That allows you to create new documents, whether it be Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. To sort the files, you simply choose the A to Z with the up and down arrows, and then a few options have come available. You can sort by file name, last modified, size, type, and starred. Primarily, you're going to focus on by file name, which puts them in alphabetical order, and then by last modified, which allows you to organize them based on when they were created. This is helpful if you're looking for a recently created file. When you go to create new, the following options come available. You can create a new Word document, Excel spreadsheet, PowerPoint, or you can create an email with attachments. This concludes the first training session for Documents2Go. We have several others to do dealing with how to work with the Word, Excel, and PowerPoint programs.